Hello friends, today we are going to see how to make site self-enrollment enable. First log in as the administrator into a site. After logging, you are going to go to your dashboard. Below that, site home, calendar, and here in the course in which you want to make site self-enrollment enable. In my case, I am going to make this. So click on the course, and then below that you find a tab participants. Now look at the right hand top corner, this particular icon above enroll users tab. Click on this, select methods, here in case enrollment methods. You will find the three options. By default, only one option is enabled, that is manual enrollment. Guest access self-enrollment is not enabled. You have to just make it enable by clicking on the icon I. Now see that this I is open. Okay. After that, go to site administration. There, type self-registration and search. On the page result, you will find manage authentication. Below that, you will find a drop-down box. Click on that. By default, this is disabled, but you have to make it email based self-registration enabled. Select it and save changes. You will find a message here, changes saved. Close it and log out from the site. Now you can see that this particular course which I wanted to make self-enrollment enable is having this icon. This indicates self-enrollment is enabled. Now click on login, and here you will find this particular tab is added. Now this we wanted to have because this is the tab will be used to create new account by the users, by the participants, by all people who wanted to make self-enroll themselves in the course. So click on this and let user fill the detail of their choice. Username, password, email addresses, first name, surname, all these fields are to be filled. And this is the security question. This must be checked. Now it is enabled for me. Now I have to click create my new account. If I click here, my new account will be created. Let us see that. Fill from the beginning, dummy, user. Okay, password you can give as per the instructions given. Select email. Email should be of your own. Repeat the mail. Now give the first name. First name will be name of your own. Select the town or country. India. Now answer the security question. Create my new account. In the next tab to be clicked. Okay. Saying me only lowercase letters are allowed. Okay, let us change it. So I made it all lower. Then most of the detail is already available. Again, click on this. Now click create my new account and you get a message here. This indicates email has been sent to your address at ABCD and it contains instructions to complete your registration and click continue. So only this much for the day. Thank you very much.